let me introduce you Mr. Glenn Besanias. He is 36 years old, very young. And he is married to S.P. Besanias. He has 2 kids, 12 years old and 4 years old. Yes. And he owns LT Besanias Trading. He's into rice and corn milling. So if you have rice at home, you can mill. He is into wholesale. So if you need cheap ones, you can get from him. And he was the president of Metro Cebu Uptown JCs for 2015. That's why I got him, because I got to see his projects. His projects were really good. And he is responsible for bringing the JCI National Convention for 2016 here in Cebu. And so, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Glenn Besanias.